Hey YouTube, I hope you guys are doing alright. Now you can easily upload shorts from a PC on YouTube. YouTube made it easier than ever. All you have to do is get a vertical 9 by 16 size video. YouTube will automatically make it shorts video. So now you don't have to do anything, just get 9 by 16 size video, which is vertical, like TikTok or Instagram story, okay? Then upload it as you normally upload other videos on YouTube. That's it. In this new system, you don't have to write hash shorts on the title or in your description. You don't have to do it anymore. However, YouTube prefers that you put hash shorts on the title or in your description, as it will help you algorithm system. It will help your video to find it more or reach more people. So I would recommend you to put hashtag shorts in your title. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Thank you.